Let me show you how to use Duolingo Lightning Rounds for rapid XP. Now you can simply head over to the league section, which is this icon on the bottom, and if you already have access to leagues or leaderboards, you can simply look for the purple lightning bolt icon, which is gonna be the lightning rounds. So you can simply tap on the blue lightning bolt, or sometimes it also might show an arrow icon on the bottom right corner of the leaderboard. So once you simply tap on this option and try to complete a challenge, make sure that these challenges are temporary and often are an alternate with the Match Madness. Now what you simply need to do is start this challenge, and you have 2 minutes to complete the tier 3 of difficulties, which is going to be tier 1 is going to give you 5 XP, the second tier is going to be give you 10 XP, and finally the third tier is going to give you a full 40 XP. So by following this exact process, you can use the lightning rounds for a rapid XP inside of Duolingo. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for this one. I'm going to see you in the next video.